Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning here at Blackpoint Marina in Miami, way south Miami. We are servicing this yacht, the G-Load, which is actually a repeat client. About a year and a half ago, he called us. They had just purchased the boat and had a real bad musty odor. Also had some water damage leaks in the interior cabins. So it smelled really musty. In fact, you could just see right here. I mean, you can see mildew growing right there. But it's inside the boat. So I'll take you on a tour. So they called us back. One of the owners bought out the other owner. And they're taking it on the 4th of July holiday down to the Keys. And his wife said, no, my clothes are smelling like that musty odor again. And so they called Master Odor Removal. We are odor removal specialists for yachts, as well as cars and homes and condos and jets. Just a lovely little boat, and not so little, but just a lovely boat. And we're going to go ahead and service all the cushions here. There's storage under here as well, under here. So we're going to go ahead and pop these up when the time comes to treat under there. We'll treat the drapes, all this fabric, and you can see the water damage right there. Okay, so this might be from an AC condensation because the AC vent is right here. So we're going to treat that because that's probably one of our main sources of where it's coming from. And it's being spread by the AC. We're going to go ahead and treat the AC system with our second step process. I'll show you where that is. Right here. So down here in the bilge area, there's the AC coil is actually down here. I just have to remember where it is, on which side. I can hear it to the right. But anyway, I'll figure it out, and we'll treat the AC coil with our second step process. And all the carpeting, all the bunks. You can actually see, this is going to be a nice long video. You can actually see where the water came through here onto this organic mattress. You can see the mildew growing in this brown staining. You can see that right there. So we're going to treat that. And then this is just another storage area. And last time I was here, it was a lot worse. For some reason, there's just some mold or mildew action growing down there. It's been about a year and a half. And we will go ahead and treat that, and that'll disappear. All right, all the ceiling area, we're going to treat the head and the shower, and that's really basically it. All right, we're really proud that we have repeat clients when it comes to luxury boats and yachts, and we look forward to earning your business as well. All right, shoes off as always when servicing boats. Thanks for viewing.